Hi, online government students. This is a tutorial to show you how to navigate our Schoology page. Today I have opened up our Unit 1 folder, Political Beliefs and Behaviors. You will notice the folder that we are using will always be red. So please keep that in mind when you're clicking it. Always look for the red folder. To begin the unit, please click on the Unit 1 Political Beliefs and Behaviors folder. Inside each folder, you will see a Unit 1 overview. Always go to that page, that is called a page, and read the unit overview. This will guide your work for that unit. You can see there's a brief description of the unit, unit learning targets, and then directions. Notice the directions say work through the material in the 3 separate folders. I'll be adding 2 more folders throughout this unit. After we complete the first one, you will move on to the second unit. When you're ready to go, our first topic is political ideologies. Notice once again, the folder is red. Please click on the political ideologies and look at the page. Notice I've once again put an overview. Always click on the overview. That will set up your work for this topic. Notice once again there's a description, unit targets, and then directions. The directions is key. This will take you through the work you need to complete by the given due date. Right? If you look at the bullets, just follow the bullets down. Those correspond with all of the material outside of the overview. Right? The bottom shows you what to submit and the due date. Notice the due date for the first unit work is Monday, December 10th at 11:59 p.m. When you're ready to begin work, go back to the folder and begin work. Notice I've arranged all the work in chronological order. Complete the first political ideology surveys and reflection assignment, then move on to the video. Then the expanded political ideology grid, the liberal versus conservative T-chart, and the liberal versus conservative reflection. All of this work is due by Monday, December 10th at midnight. Good luck. If you have any questions, please Schoology message me.